Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is all about Tems baby. She was seen exchanging pleasantry with American rapper, singer, business mogul Jay-Z and his wife Beyonce at the Grammy Night Award. Yeah, the award will be today though, so I think it's a party before the main event. So they met and they talk vibe like Jay-Z no one look Tems like cause a woman they beside them. So before we get into the video of everything, if you're new here, subscribe, turn on post notification, set it to all so that you'll be notified. So enjoy guys.
Africana, when I'm on the ride and I'm on the cover, when I'm on the way, so I need a jet, when I run away, I said I wanna leave, said I wanna deep, so I need a jet, and I wanna rent, not the internet, but they only mad, but I wanna walk, I just wanna ball, yeah, so matching the energy, it remains in my memory, yeah, to your auntie, I won't give no apologies, oh no, can you feel me, I'm living, I'm
Thank you guys for watching the video from beginning to the end. I really appreciate you guys for consuming my content here. If you're new here, like I said at the beginning of the video, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. Once you click on the red subscribe button below, subscribe, turn on post notification, set it to all so that you'll be notified whenever I drop another interesting video like this. And also let me know what you think about this. So guys, I'll be signing out now and I'd love to see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.